Hi everyone, so today I took a little detour to the Williams Sonoma clearance rack. Yes, the clearance rack. And guess what? It's one of my favorite secret spots for finding high-end spices and blends without paying those high-end prices. You don't have to skip the fancy stores to stay on budget, you just have to shop smart. These clearance racks often have limited edition blends, seasonal rubs, and spice mixes that are packed with flavor and inspiration. Now I'm showing you the price tags because these are the clearance prices plus an extra 20% off. And the best part, you can take these home, taste them, and then later try recreating your favorites from scratch with your own ingredients. It's like a mini spice education and a budget win at the same time. So the next time that you're near a high-end kitchen store, peek inside at the clearance shelf. You might walk away with some gourmet flavor for just a few bucks. Eating well doesn't mean spending big, it just means shopping smart. I'll see you at the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time, friends.